Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Abraham Lincoln. Number 1. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States. Number 2. He was born on 12th February 1809. Number 3. He worked to end slavery in the United States. Number 4. He issued the Emancipation Proclamation in 1863. Number 5. This proclamation declared that all the slaves were free. Number 6. He gave the famous Gettysburg Address in 1863. Number 7. He believed in the importance of democracy. Number 8. He was known for his honesty and integrity. Number 9. He is remembered as one of America's greatest presidents. Number 10. His legacy includes the preservation of the Union and the abolition of slavery. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.